You have at least 4 different options when it comes to creating a new Business Catalyst site. First, you can simply go to businesscatalyst.com and click Sign Up. Now, if you're not logged in, you'll have to log in before you get to this screen. Once you get to this screen, you can choose one of these many templates that are provided. If you do not want to use a template and you want to use your own design, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select the blank template. This will allow you to start from scratch with your own design. Now, if you want to preview any of these templates, just hover over the template that you're interested in and click Preview. A new tab is opened, and most of these templates are modern, using responsive web design, which simply means they are optimized for many different size devices, including smartphones and tablets. If I were to resize this browser, you'll notice once it gets more narrow, the layout changes to make it more conducive for mobile devices. Now, if you have a recent version of Dreamweaver, you can create a Business Catalyst site directly from within the application. In the top menu, just choose Site, New Business Catalyst Site. Once the panel opens, you can give it a site name, a site URL. You just choose the country you're from, the closest data center, and then click Create Free Temporary Site. Now, if you checked automatically download the entire Business Catalyst site locally, Dreamweaver will ask you which folder you want to download the site. And of course, if you need help, there is a help button here that will bring you to the appropriate place to help guide you through this process. If you're a Muse user, you can also create a Business Catalyst site when publishing your Muse project. Simply click the Publish button. A panel will open up, allowing you to name your site. Then open up the options, and you can give it your own URL, and then you can click OK. If you use Muse, you are likely a Creative Cloud subscriber, and at the time this video was created, Creative Cloud subscribers get 5 Business Catalyst sites for no additional charge. These are not fully featured sites, but they do have every feature that Muse has available. So when you publish the site, you will be using up one of your 5 free sites. Now, of course, you can always pay more for additional sites or upgrade a site to gain more features. The fourth way of creating a Business Catalyst site is by logging into your Business Catalyst partner portal. This is the way I typically create a new site. Once you sign up for Business Catalyst, you'll automatically be enrolled in their partnership program. This is when you gain access to your partner portal. This is where you can manage all of your Business Catalyst sites. Once you log in, you'll find yourself on the partner dashboard. You have lots of options, including learning more about Business Catalyst. Now, to create a site, just click the top button. Now you have 4 options. Number 1 is to use a template. These are the same templates we saw earlier on businesscatalyst.com. Number 2 is to import an existing site. This is an interesting feature because you can import any site from the web. Business Catalyst will do its best to grab everything that is publicly available, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and anything it can use to build a site on the Adobe servers. Number 3 is to replicate an existing Business Catalyst site. This is one of the most popular features in Business Catalyst. Once you create a site, you can replicate it as many times as you want by simply selecting this choice. If you find yourself rebuilding the same features on many of your sites, I'm sure you can imagine how powerful this option can be. And the last option is to start from scratch. Business Catalyst will set up a site for you, but you start off with your own code and content. In this video series, we're going to use an existing Business Catalyst template to go over features. So we're going to select the first option and click Continue. Again, we can choose any of these templates, but we're going to start with the first one on the list and then click Continue. We're going to give it a name. We'll call it Train Simple and hit Create Trial Site. And when it's ready, you have 2 choices. Either manage the site or preview the live site. In the next video, we are going to preview our brand new Business Catalyst project.